Hello guys, today I am going to show you on how to add yourself to any photo by using Snapseed. Snapseed is available in both Android and iPhone users. You can download this application through your App Store or Play Store. Through this one, you could be in many places in just few minutes. So, open your Snapseed application and import the place you want to be in and just do a small adjustment on your preference. Here, tap the tools and tap double exposure. This time, add here your photo or the person you want to add in the photo. I'll have here a photo from Google. Here, the opacity is 50%. Turn it on to 100 to see well the subject and make it 50 to adjust the placement. And then put again to 100 and here tap this one. Now this time tap here above and tap View Edits. Here tap Double Exposure and tap this brush. Using this brush, we will be able to select our photo or the person and add it to our background. Now, here we go. Tap this one for you to see your actual photo. Now, this time, zoom in and start brushing. Make sure that this is 0 so that you can directly see your background as you brush. Keep brushing until everything is finished. Make sure that every detail is brushed. After doing so, tap this one to check if there are some adjustments needed. Here, zoom in again to see the adjustments needed in your photo. Make sure to have it in 0 to brush the details accurately. And if everything is good, tap Check and tap Export to save the photo. And that's it. Hopefully you find this video helpful. Please like this video and subscribe to this channel because I will be making more helpful videos like this in the future. That's all for today. See you in the next video.